has reindeers.
Santa usually has reindeers?
Yeah.
But you know the 2 deer that Daddy shot during hunting season?
Yeah.
I shot 2 of his reindeer, so I don't know if he'll be able to fly around.
What is Santa's?
2 of Santa's.
You Santa shot them.
I don't think he's going to be able to sleigh off the ground. Means Christmases might be delayed till next year.
Aww. You shouldn't have shot those reindeers. They're nice.
Daddy's kidding. I didn't shoot his reindeers.
Thanks.
Santa's going to still be able to fly around.
Yeah.